in Gold Souk. Pasok kami dito sa Gold Souk, guys. Maraming alahas dito. Kaya nga Gold Souk. This is like the building na puno ng gold. Mga gold store. Ayan. Ganda na. Puro alahas. Ayan na guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga alahas. This is white gold. This is silver. Daming gold, no? Yan. Ang ganda. Dami nakasabit, oh. Yun. Ang ganda ng gold. Yes, ayan, gold. Ganda, ganda. Ito maganda. Ito. Ayan, no, don't touch it. Si Ellie girl, yan, aking apo, si Ellie girl. Is that a belt? Is that a belt? I think it's a belt. You can use this belt as belt. Ellie, oh, there's a baby. Baby. See you, look. Wow! Ito yung labas ng Gold Souk, guys. Ayan. Ganda, no? Ganda ng labas ng Gold Souk. Ito, wala yung fountain. Hindi naka-open ang water fountain. Pasok na ulit tayo dito sa Gold Souk.
Can you take a picture, please?
No, Ellie. Ellie girl, look. Take a look on my video.
I see.
I can see.